Ford Performance DNA is what makes the vehicle immediately recognizable. It's the block Ford grille, the bulging fenders, the wide track, the Fox suspension, and the big tires. A Ford Performance vehicle is designed for extreme performance. We have a unique steering wheel with a center stripe so you know where your wheels are. The seats include increased bolstering, keeps you right in front of the steering wheel. The drive mode buttons are all right there on the steering wheel, unique for Raptor.
As we started to create a Ranger Raptor, we applied the same key characteristics, the Ford Performance DNA for off-road, to the Ranger Raptor as we had it on F-150 Raptor. You got in the Ranger Raptor the best diesel engine we have in our lineup. A high-power BiTurbo diesel engine. We pick the same transmission you have in an F-150 Raptor. A 10-speed automatic transmission.
The first F-150 Raptor was actually developed from 3 runners. We've taken that DNA and then we have applied that DNA to the Ranger Raptor in the Fink Desert. Right now we're out here in the original testing area for the F-150 Raptor in the US. If it can pass these obstacles, we know that it can withstand some of the toughest areas of the world.
The Raptor is the most production-ready off-road high-speed vehicle in the world. It's absolutely going to blow people's minds.